Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in the App Store. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest software. Then, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a new credit or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details and verify it with your bank. This crucial first step takes just a few minutes to complete, setting you up for seamless transactions. Once Apple Pay is set up, making a purchase in the App Store is straightforward. Browse for the app or in-app item you want, then tap the Buy or Get button. When prompted for payment, select Apple Pay. You'll see your default card displayed, but you can easily switch to another card if needed. This process is designed for speed, often completing in under 5 seconds. To complete your purchase, you'll need to authenticate using your device's security features. If you have Face ID, double-click the side button and glance at your screen. For Touch ID, simply place your finger on the Home button. Alternatively, you can enter your passcode. This security measure ensures that only you can authorize purchases, providing a high level of protection for your financial information. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal is essential. Also, confirm your Apple Pay region settings match your card's issuing country. If problems persist, try removing and re-adding your card or contact Apple support for assistance. Remember, Apple Pay offers robust security, encrypting every transaction to protect your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.